Migrating a WordPress website to a new host can seem complex, but with the right steps, you can complete the process smoothly and without downtime. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure a successful migration. Step 1. Choose a new hosting provider. Before you start migrating, you'll need a new hosting provider. Make sure the new host offers the required server environment and resources for your WordPress site, PHP version, MySQL, etc. Step 2. Backup your website. It's essential to have a complete backup of your website to ensure that none of your data is lost during the migration. 2.1. Backup files. You can manually back up your WordPress files via FTP, File Transfer Protocol, or using your hosting control panel, like cPanel or Plesk. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck to download all your WordPress files from the public site.yml directory or the root folder where your site is stored. Ensure you include .htaccess and hidden files. 2.2. Backup the database. To back up your database, log in to wp-admin. Most hosts provide access via cPanel or another control panel. Select your WordPress database, then click on the Export tab. Choose Quick and SQL format, then click Go to download the database file. Alternatively, you can use a plugin like Updraft Plus or all-in-one WP Migration to back up both the files and database. Step 3. Prepare for migration on the new host. On your new hosting account, you will need a database and an FTP account or file manager ready for migration. Point 1. Create a database on the new host log into the hosting control panel of your new host. Navigate to MySQL databases and create a new database. Also, create a new database user and assign it full permissions to the database. Take note of the database name, username, and password. You will need these later. Step 4. Upload files to the new host. Next, upload your website files to the new host using FTP or the file manager provided by your host. 4.1. Upload via FTP. Connect to your new host using an FTP client. Navigate to the public /HTML or appropriate root folder and upload the WordPress files you downloaded in Step 2. Step 5. Import the database. Once your WordPress files are uploaded, you'll need to import the database into your new host. 5.1. Use wp-admin log into wp-admin on your new host. Select the newly created database and click on the Import tab. Choose the SQL file from Step 2.2 and click Go to upload your database. Step 6. Update wp-config.php. You need to update the database credentials in the wp-config.php file so WordPress can connect to your new database. 6.1. Edit wp-config.php. Open the wp-config.php file, located in the root of your WordPress directory, in a text editor. Find the following lines. Copy code define db name, your database name. Define db user, your database user. Define db password, your database password. Replace your database name by your database user and your database password with the details from the new database you created in Step 3.1. Save and upload the updated wp-config.php file to your new host. Step 7. Point your domain to the new host. Once everything is uploaded and configured, you need to update your domain's DNS settings to point to your new hosting server. 7.1. Update DNS records. Log into your domain registrar, where your domain is registered, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Go to the DNS settings or name server section. Replace the existing name servers with those provided by your new host. This will ensure your domain points to the new host's servers. DNS propagation can take up to 24-48 hours, but your site may be live within a few hours. Step 8. Test the new site. Before fully launching the migrated site, you should test it thoroughly. 8.1. Edit host file, optional. To check the new site before DNS propagation completes, you can edit your local computer's hosts file to point your domain to the new host. On Windows, open the hosts file, usually found in cp windows/system32/drivers/etc. hosts, with a text editor in administrator mode. On Mac or Linux, the hosts file is located at /e0/hosts. Add the following line to the end of the hosts file. Copy code your new host /ip yourdomain.com. Replace your new host /ip with the IP address of your new server and yourdomain.com with your domain name. Save the file. Now, when you visit your domain, you will be viewing the new server. Step 9. Check for broken links and fix permalinks. After testing, you may encounter broken links or issues with permalinks. 9.1. Fix permalinks, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save Changes without making any modifications. This will refresh the permalink structure and resolve any potential 404 errors. Step 10. Remove the hosts file entry. After testing is complete and the DNS propagation is done, remove the custom entry you added to the hosts file in Step 8.1 so you can access the live site normally. Step 11. Verify the migration. Once DNS has propagated and your site is live on the new host, check the front end and back end of the website to ensure everything is working smoothly. Ensure all images, links, and content are loading correctly. Test contact forms, plugins, and any interactive elements to ensure functionality. Optional, use a migration plugin. If you'd prefer an automated process, use plugins like Duplicator or all-in-one WP migration for a streamlined migration. These plugins simplify the process by packaging your entire website into one file, which you can easily transfer and restore on your new host. Conclusion: migrating your WordPress site to a new host without downtime requires careful preparation. By following these steps, you'll ensure a seamless transition, minimal interruptions, and a successful migration.